Okay, this store is called AEON-Big in Fujisawa, Japan. And we are going to look for the Elusive Orange Kit Kat here. This is the 17th store that I've been to looking for the Orange Kit Kat for Reverend Amagon. Let's see. The store is orange and the employees are wearing orange, so that's a good start. The baskets are orange. Okay, here we go. Nice orange store. Look at this. They have oranges. Okay, let's go find the candy section. Really large store here. No, the candy section is right here that soon? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, well, this isn't actual candy. These are snacks. Nice big bags of the Calbee potato snacks that I covered in an earlier video. There's Chip Star that were big in Japan before Pringles. Calbee Jackabees, I covered those in an earlier snack video as well. Okay, let's see here. This is the snack section, so let's look for the candy. So yeah, I would say this is a mid-sized grocery store. Lots of beef jerky. Candy. Okay, we're getting warm here. This whole aisle is candy. So there have to be Kit Kats. Let's see here. Not seen any Kit Kats. Okay, this is more international style candy here. I guess at this point, Kit Kat is international. Okay, there's M&M's. Yep, it's looking like a big nope. Big nope. 17th damn store looking for the orange Kit Kat. Thank you, Reverend Amagon. Honestly, I was going to these stores anyway, so. Okay, well, the hunt continues. the hunt shall go on for the orange Kit Kat. Let's check out the rest of this store. And of course, if it was daytime here, you could see Mount Fuji across the street. Fujiyoshida is at the base of Mount Fuji. Here's the spice section where I've been looking for an S&B. Okay, there's the new yuzu. I've been looking for an S&B smoked red pepper, which is extremely hard to find, and they might have discontinued it. I brought a couple of bottles home last year, and it's the only ones I've ever seen in the entire world. Nope. That one's habanero. That's really hot. So yeah, nope on the smoked red pepper, too. Okay. Yep, no on the smoked red pepper. Yeah, here's another S&B. That one's habanero. So, okay. All right, so let's wrap it up in the big AEON here. It is nighttime, so they are stocking. If you're enjoying these videos, be sure to stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe. This is Grego, and I'm just showing you the normal things in Japan that you would see as a resident as opposed to being a tourist. Had to get one of those. Okay, see you in the next video. The hunt for the orange Kit Kat will go on.